Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm SwtHeavenlyDove and I have a fabulous extra large Dollar Tree haul for you. First up, we have these chips, and if you examine the brand, they actually have a Bible verse on each bag. So if you get them, make sure you take a look at it and read it and hope it blesses you. I just want to add, I probably would just be playing music, and I may pop on here and there to do voiceovers for some items, but not all. You see these fabulous all-purpose reusable wipes. There's 25 in a pack. So this is, if you're into recycling, this would be great because you can recycle them, I believe, and wash them. Great find. This is a Slim and Trim Body Slimming Vest. Unfortunately, the only size I found was a small. So if you're small, be on the hunt for it. Slim down the waist, smooth the back. This is absolutely a deal in this deal for only $1.25. Can you buy these anyplace else for $1.25? I don't think so. So if you're fighting your size, make sure you buy it. Another deal, a color changing hot plus cold reusable pack. And when it's hot, it's kind of the white color. When it's cold, it's kind of a purplish color. And so I purchased two. One to keep in the freezer and one whenever I want to use it in the microwave for hot. So I have two separate. 3 new floss picks I found by SMYL. The first one is charcoal infused. The second one is wheat straw flossers. And then the third one is tropical coconut. And I think the count is 60 on all three. Yes, Dollar Tree has wine. Yes, for $1.25, you can have a bottle of wine at Dollar Tree. I'm not sure why you would want to buy a $1.25 bottle of wine, but they have it if you want it, if you need it. I want to take you way back. If you remember, think about it. Do you remember these circus animal cookies? The Frosted Mother's cookies. The original circus animal cookies. I don't know about you, but I remember way back when in Vacation Bible School as a snack and treat, we were given these. Can you believe it? Way back when. They were delicious then, but I don't know if I would eat them now. But it's just a little nostalgia. Just take you back. This is a pocket size word hunt by Takeaway, and it's 100 puzzles. So if you need a little traveling activity, here you have it. Yes, now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. I will be showing you maybe 1, 2, or 3 or 4 Dollar Plus items. Enjoy! Here's your sparkly red, white, and blue 4th of July hat. Would you wear this to a Beyonce concert or any country concert? If you would, put it down in the comment section. Love to hear from you. Well, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe. Come on, I need some more viewers. Send it to a friend. And enjoy the extra large haul. And watch all my other Dollar Tree hauls as well as my other videos. Like I always say, be blessed until the next time. And be better than yesterday. Peace.